Hello people, if you wanna have a good immobilizer in your car, then buy cheap decoration from China, something like that, and you won't able to start your car again. So let's make a test. Nothing happened. Second test. Nothing. And if we remove this, voila! So don't use cheap decoration, use only professional one, or better, don't use anything on ignition coil, otherwise the signal from key doesn't go into the car and you're not able to start the car. Hope it helps and hope somebody won't buy this cheap Chinese crap. Thanks for watching.